In today's video, I show you how to quickly change your email signature in Zoho Desk. A polished signature adds professionalism to your emails and can include updated contact info, logos, or links. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account and clicking the gear icon at the top right to open the setup menu. Next, go to Preferences or Personalization. This is where you manage your signature settings. Click Edit Signature to open the editor. Here, you can format your text, add bold or italic styles, and even embed images or logos to reflect your brand or personality. Once your signature looks perfect, choose which department it should apply to using the drop-down menu. If you want it across all departments, click the drop-down arrow on Save and select Apply to all departments. Finally, hit Save and confirm if prompted. And that's it. Your updated signature is now ready, giving all your communications a consistent, professional look.